So we come back here to Central Texas. Some against the bill are concerned that the law could lead to racial profiling.
6 News reporter Sydney Deshawn is here to help break down the bill, how it's impacting our community, and what this means for the future. Sydney?
Chris and Lindsay, while there are lots of unknowns, one thing is for certain, and that's a feeling of unpredictability on the law's impact.
Everybody is scared.
Daisy Barrera is a Hispanic business owner in Waco. She's had dozens of conversations with customers about Senate Bill 4.
People is scared to be here in Texas.
It's a bill allowing Texas police to arrest people suspected of illegally crossing the Mexico border.
Those who supported the bill in the House and the Senate would argue that we have an unprecedented immigration crisis on the southern border, that's having major effects on the quality of life of Texans.
Those against the bill arguing it's unconstitutional.
Typically, immigration enforcement is something that's solely the power of the federal government. And so it really is an open question about whether a state like Texas can pass a law like this.
Kate Lincoln Goldfinch is an immigration attorney and says the law racially profiles.
Unless an officer sees someone crossing the border without status, how exactly would they suspect or have probable cause that someone is an immigrant?
She calls the bill chaotic.
No one logistically even knows how it would be implemented in the state. It's a total nightmare, honestly, not just for immigrants, but for all of us.
With the Texas governor continuing to defend the law.
We will continue to build those border barriers, keep the buoys in the water, build a Texas border wall, doing everything we can to protect the sovereignty of the state of Texas.
As the battle goes back and forth, immigrants are panicking about what this means for their futures.
The law is not in effect as we're speaking now. That is something that could change at any minute, depending on what the Fifth Circuit does. And that could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be in a few weeks.
For now, Barrera hopes immigrants in Waco stay strong.
It's a nice community to be, and we don't want to lose those good people to working here and making our community grow.
Now, multiple police departments 6 News spoke with say they are not going to issue any statement until the bill is cleared by the courts. In the meantime, immigration lawyers are urging clients to know their rights. You do not have to answer questions about your immigration status to law enforcement, guys.
All right, Cindy, thanks for the update, and we'll continue to watch what the courts say.